As a member of Wity Group in 2000, Wity Machinery Company Limited previously initiated with hand-fed die cutter. By the second year, we started to export relevant machines to the overseas, which was rare at that time in China, and was regarded as one of the earliest China exporting companies. By 2004, Wity Machinery successfully launched a high-accuracy roll-to-sheet machine with automatic registering unit, which is widely used to precisely cut printed paper for tobacco package industry. By now, this unique machine has become as a high-end featured product on our list. 2005, in Middle East, we launched a full production line for flexible package, from process of printing to seaming and pouch making, which earned a cheerful reputation on the market. 2006 in Russia, a full production line for adhesive label press was introduced, and right after that, Wity Flexo machine became a well-known local brand name, Atlas, and shared 80% Russian market in the second year. In 2008, Paper Cup's full production line demonstrated in Latin America. 2016, Yogurt Lids machine in Drupa, Germany. 2019, Paper Tube machine in Mumbai, India. All of these are the important moments we grow up with. By 20 years of experience, we well understand that being an equipment provider, prompt response, and technical support are pivotal to our customers to keep their equipment on good condition. Because we remember, as always, customers' profit matters. Your profit matters.